Betul itu yang lupa. Kami yang kita pun follow orang. It's been a very long journey, hard-fought battle. Very quickly, we still have two MPs from Manipur from Congress, but Central still seems to be with BJP. It's going to be tough to bring Manipuri's voice in Delhi.
Just wait and watch. Things will turn around now.
It will turn around. Thank you so much. You're busy. Enjoy it.
Thank you.
Also, I'm Cyrus Spring. I'm Priyo from SKTV. First of all, congratulations. It's been a long fought battle. How do you feel now? Were you really thinking that you were going to win?
Yes.
You're confident?
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you. So that's Peter and Priyo from the office in Imphal. Both the candidates are happy.